Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Jooeniok, ultra-thin fitness tracker. And why you should buy Choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Ultimate Sports Companion. Track over 100 sports modes with precision, from running to swimming, ensuring every workout is optimized for your fitness goals. 100-meter water resistance. Dive confidently into any aquatic activity with 100-meter water resistance, perfect for swimmers and water sports enthusiasts. Sleek and lightweight design. Experience unmatched comfort with our ultra-thin, fashionable smartwatch that seamlessly blends with your active lifestyle. Comprehensive health monitoring. Stay on top of your well-being with advanced health tracking, including heart rate, sleep, and activity metrics. Durable and reliable. Built to withstand intense workouts and daily wear, our watch combines 100-meter resistance with rugged durability for long-lasting performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.